Let's see how this goes.
Oh yeah, get her. Oh yeah, fuck! Come on there.
Alright, I need to turn into it. I've told the season.
Where are you? Oh, come on, come on. You hit like a fucking sissy, you little naked prick. I've seen naked. It's like better than ye. What the fuck are you? Fucking harmless bastard. You spastic cunt! Fight me, you shit! Challenge you to fisticuffs! Have at me!
Guy fucking
Come
get
back.
lost.
Back here, you rapscallion, ye! You rapscallion! Turn you to ramshackles, I will! Come here, you little fuck you! Oh, I'll face you, I will! Oh, hold me, I'll show you mother what I've done there! Give me a bit of that, you know? Get back here! Get some milk in your bones, you little laddie! Oh, you wee little fuck you! Come on, lad boy! Come on, lad! Fuck you! Think you can run away from me? Oh, Scottish wagbag! You fucking autistic sack of potatoes! I didn't see I went in the fight! Died 42 times! Okay, mighty man! Aye! Oh, come on there! Come on there! Oh, you wee little fuck, yeah, give me a 1, 2. I fought Muhammad Ali once! Fucking fuck me shit!
Oh, you can die as many times as you defend, but you only need to win once.
You know. But I'll give you a 1, 2, that's right. 1, 2, good night, little fuck yeah.
What the fuck?
Did I kill like a butterfly, sting like a bee? This motherfucker's gonna eat a fucking tree. Am I doing good, coach?
You're doing good.
Come on, let's play patty cake, shall we? Where are you? Come on, let's play patty cake, patty cake. Patty cake, patty cake. Make patty cake. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Alright, he's good at this, but I'm better.
Is it gonna be another 12 hours looking in a mirror?
Right. Alright, so here's what happens. When you eat it, you gotta hit. Here, okay. Hi, welcome back to Fens Wendigo Self-Defense. Here you Firstly, you die over and over again until it becomes so annoyed at you, it starts chasing you violently. And as it starts to run away, you come back to give it more schizophrenia, like this man here. And basically, you keep this going until a certain of where it keeps coming back, and it wants to get with you for a coffee. And when you get it with a coffee, you want put it into a headlock and give it a left, right, good night, and maybe an uppercut. And if you're feeling, hit it with a sledgehammer. For example, I packed one today with me for this exact reason.
Oh.
Now, there's a very particular spot you have to hit on the head. Find the sweet spot to hit him.
Alright, I think that's all the time we have today for Fens Self-Defense.
You gotta keep doing this until you get him in the right spot.
Alright.
Until you get him in the right spot. You get him in the right until you...
Alright, that's all for today's Fens Self-Defense class. Hope everyone enjoyed.
Until you get him
until
in the
next
right
time we
spot.
see Fen try to fight a skinwalker.
In the right spot.